show you how we visited the Delft Museum. The museum is located in Delft in Netherlands. The ticket was €18 per person, and we also booked a tile painting workshop for around €36 per person. The museum shows the history of Delft ceramics and how it's made. It was very interesting for us to learn that Delft Blue was inspired by Chinese porcelain. In 1602, the Dutch East India Company captured a Portuguese ship carrying large amounts of Chinese porcelain. These blue and white ceramics from China were seen as exotic, and pottery makers in Delft tried to recreate this unique style. After years of exploration, we finally succeeded. That's how the Delft Blue ceramics was created. Delft Blue is made using slip casting technique, where they pour liquid clay into the molds to shape everything. After that, they cover each piece with a white engobe and put it to the first firing. After first firing, the pieces are ready for decoration. They decorate it either by hands or by transferring design onto the ceramics. After decoration and glazing, the ceramics go to the second firing. The best of this museum was that we were able to see how the factory works. So we were able to see how people do the slip casting, how they decorate, and it was very, I think, the best part of the tour. We also booked a tile decoration masterclass where we learned how design are transferred onto ceramic bisque, and we decorated our own tiles. Hope you liked the video. Thank you and bye.